Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Seed Airdrop Update. Check $Seed Bird NFT's holdings for rewards. Seed Airdrop Update. Check $Seed Bird NFTs and claim MO in blind boxes. The much-anticipated Seed Airdrop Update has brought significant progress for the Seed Go ecosystem, as community members can now check their finalized allocations. Seed holders can now access the Seed Airdrop Allocation Checker to verify their allocated $Seed tokens. This update allows participants to confirm their eligibility and the number of tokens they will receive. In addition, the Seed Go team has introduced a new opportunity for holders: registration for the MO in blind box. Eligible users can claim between 1 to 15 boxes, depending on their Seed Bird NFT's holdings. For users interested in participating, the process involves navigating to the designated bot and following the instructions as per the official Seed Go update. What about the seed listing date? While the exact $Seed token listing date remains undisclosed, the Seed Go team has hinted at a tentative timeline for February mid-2025. The delay stems from approval requirements from major cryptocurrency exchanges and finalizing key technical integrations. One of the most anticipated aspects of this listing is the Binance Seed listing, which, if confirmed, could drive significant market interest. Market analysts predict the Seed coin pre-market price to range between $0.024 and $0.044, reflecting strong community backing and continuous project development. With the growing traction of the project, the Seed price prediction remains optimistic, supported by its expanding ecosystem and upcoming planned features. Wallet swapping and Seed verse 2.0 update. A major update for the Seed ecosystem is the wallet swapping feature, set to launch in mid-February. This upgrade will enable users to connect or switch wallets effortlessly, improving accessibility and flexibility for managing Seed tokens across platforms. The team has reassured users that security and scalability remain top priorities during this implementation. Another notable upgrade is Seed verse 2.0, which aims to enhance the platform's overall experience, providing better functionalities and an improved ecosystem for token holders. This update aligns with the project's long-term roadmap to increase the adoption and usability of the Seed token. With these developments in place, the Seed coin airdrop continues to gain traction, marking another milestone in the project's expansion. As the Seed listing date approaches, investors and community members remain eager for further updates, anticipating significant growth within the Seed ecosystem.